Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be telling you how to play um, 4 players local multiplayer. So the first things first, you need to press space button for the first player and then go to split input, press on space. So here you will have 2 players on the same keyboard. After that, plug in your controllers, first controller, press X, and plug in the second controller and also press X. And here we have 4 players playing with each other. Now to play local multiplayer, all you are going to do is to go to start game, press on local, and choose the game mode that you want. I will choose this, for example, and then go and press start game, but all the players should go over there. And it will start now. And as you can see here, you can play with each other and enjoy. So that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. In the time being, peace out.